Did you know that as of 2025, I mean this year we're in and you're watching this video, you might watch it next year, but as in 2025, Facebook has over 3 billion active users every month. That's almost half the world's population. And here is what is just funny and wild. People just like you and me are making money every single day using nothing but their smartphones and their Facebook account. Are we talking about people from some of the individuals from Kampala to Karachi? Are we talking about West Africa, that is people from Lagos, even in London? We talk about people from Delhi, that is in Asia, and even Detroit. You guys, young mothers, colleagues, students, job seekers, and even retirees, people who have just left their work. I've seen people in 50s are using Facebook, not just by scrolling as you might be doing you right now, but they are using Facebook by earning real income, passively and even actively. Let me break it down for you with simple beginner-friendly ways that work globally and even in countries that aren't officially supported by Facebook monetization. You'll come to understand that there is Facebook monetization policies and even eligibility as far as your location, your nation is concerned. Yes, you might be in a country which is not legally eligible for monetization on Facebook, but there are some ways you can do it. Let's see how they do it. I'm going to break it down in different parts. And in part one, we're going to see how people are making money with Facebook Reels monetization. First up, Facebook Reel monetization is the easiest entry point to earn money today. If you're in countries like US, UK, India, South Africa, are you in West Africa, Nigeria, Pakistan, and even a few others, without forgetting Asia, that is, and Gulf countries, you guys, Facebook pays you directly for views on short form videos, just like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. One 21-year-old girl from Nairobi, Kenya, she made over $300 in 3 weeks just by uploading 30 seconds skits from her phone. No camera at all, no editing, just raw and real content. I'm going to give you a pro tip on these reels, though I don't major into them. You can use popular sounds, you can use hashtags like funny reels, you can use relatable, everyday hustle, and target relatable topics like parenting, cooking, campus life, without forgetting village content. I came to learn that village content, even when you go to YouTube and other social media platforms, village content goes viral so highly than other content. They perform extremely well. Here, what you can do, you can use SEO keys. Those are search engine optimization keywords like Facebook Reels, or we talk about Facebook Reel monetization, making money online or making money with Facebook videos, Reel bonus program, easiest online income. This is the first part you should master at least. Then the part two, it is about Facebook Marketplace flipping. This is the second way of earning money with Facebook. Facebook Market flipping, it is perfect for those who want offline and online hustle combined. You are going to ask me, what is Facebook Market flipping? Facebook Market flipping is a marketplace whereby you can find it on your profile of Facebook. Just go there, zoom around, you're going to see Facebook Marketplace. What you do, you take a picture of anything around your house, like if there are old things that you don't want to use, like old shoes, used chair, even handmade items, instead of throwing them, and list them on Facebook Marketplace. Here you remember there is a young man in Bangalore, that is in India. He made over 1,200 flipping second-hand phones using online messenger and marketplace listings. Then in Lagos, I came across a Nigerian mom who sells thrift, second-hand clothes. She sources them from local markets and get paid via mobile money after marketing them on Facebook groups. So when you're dealing with this way of making money on Facebook, that is Facebook Marketplace, you need to know there are some key searchable words you can use, like sell on Facebook Marketplace, flipping items online, earn from home Facebook, resell used item online. Why do I bring in this tip for you to use SEO keywords? These ones, they make your content go very far, especially the people who are looking for it. Then the part 3 of making money, we can use also Facebook content creator page. This one, we are going to talk about it even without monetization. Here you can build Facebook creator page even if your country isn't eligible for payouts yet. Like in Uganda, it is not eligible. But here is the secret. You can still get sponsorship, affiliate links, and even become an admin on a monetized account in countries like the US or UK or Gulf countries. You just look for somebody who is in that country and becomes your admin. You give authority, means that person is going to put her account and start making money. The moment the money comes, just wires it for you. You do content, you send for him or her. How do you send this content? You can compress it using files. You can use WhatsApp. You can use any other platform for you to send this your content. When you're dealing with these Facebook content creators earnings, you're going to use a lot of words like CEOs, like Facebook Creator Studio income, and without monetization, affiliate marketing, Facebook. Then we also talk about digital products on Facebook. There's the fourth one, which is a darling for me and for most people that do it, especially people with time. You've seen people always on live. This one is called paid live stream and events. Before I came to know, I used to say, why are these people? This one always on Facebook. Why this one always on live? I didn't know that these people are making money until I started doing it. You can host paid Facebook live events and classes. Fitness trainers, makeup artists must here, and music tutors. People everywhere are charging $5 to $10 for live session. And guess what? They are just using their phones. In the Philippines, one woman teaches best Korean on Facebook Live to students across Asia and make $400 per month just from live donations and access fees. Then in Lagos, that is in Nigeria, one lady teaches music classes just for, and it is Christian music, that is these born again. She teaches them online and she gets her fee. So you can use keywords here, the SEOs for your content or for your live to go viral. Facebook Live and money, online classes, get paid for live streaming, make money with your phone. Here, these 4 ways you can earn with them massively. Without forgetting, you can easily earn money by downloading and uploading your videos. In conclusion, so there you have it. Facebook isn't just social media, it's a gold mine in your pocket. Whether you're in Africa, Asia, the UK, or US, you can start right now. All you need is your smartphone, consistency, and plan.